In this video, we'll explore useful views in Qt Creator for debugging QML applications. We'll also see how to use logging to understand the flow of our application better. Qt Creator provides several output views to support debugging. These views help track application behavior, view error messages, and get a better understanding of what's happening during runtime. The views are found at the bottom bar of Qt Creator. Issues view. This view filters out irrelevant output from the build tools and presents the issues in an organized way. More detailed information can be found when building your application in the compile output. Search results view. If you're looking for specific elements in your code, use the search results view. It gathers all matches across your project, making it easier to locate and navigate between them. Application output. This view shows console outputs from your application, including messages you print to std out with C++ or using the console API, providing a real-time look at your app's feedback and performance. If you specify command line arguments in the run settings, those will also appear here. Terminal. The terminal opens a console directly within your project's root folder, allowing you to interact with files and commands as needed. QML Debugger Console. This console is particularly useful for QML applications. It displays debug logs, info messages, and any console warnings you've set, offering immediate feedback on your QML component's behavior during runtime. General messages. This view provides broader notifications, such as license information or any updates on the CMake build process. If any of these views are not visible, you can add them by right-clicking on the bottom panel and selecting the view you need. Next, let's use logging to understand the application flow. Logging helps trace code execution, identify issues, and confirm when specific events occur. To get started, we'll add a log message that activates when the application window is ready. In your main QML file, use the component.onCompleted signal handler to log a message right as the application starts. For example, this log will appear in both the QML Debugger Console and application output, allowing us to confirm that the application has been successfully initialized. With our log message set, let's run and debug the application. Start debugging by selecting the Debug button in the bottom left of Qt Creator. As the application compiles, the message Application Started will appear in the QML Debugger Console and application output. Once in debug mode, several views provide further insights into your application. Locals and expressions views. These show the current values of variables and expressions, updating as you step through the code. They're invaluable for tracking data changes and debugging complex logic. Debugger view. This view lists all active threads, modules, and files. It's helpful for tracing code execution and analyzing each function call. Breakpoints view. We can manage breakpoints here, where you can enable, disable, or remove them as needed. Setting breakpoints allows you to pause execution at specific points, helping you inspect the program state. When you start the application with debugging enabled, you'll see the log message Application Started displayed in the QML Debugger Console. You can also find it in the application output. These logs confirm that the app has started successfully and provide an easy checkpoint as you proceed through further debugging steps. With these views and logging techniques, you can effectively monitor your QML application's behavior and ensure a smooth debugging process. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into using breakpoints, debugging properties, and other useful tools we can use to track the flow and performance of our application.